Beautiful
Hi.
people, my name is Kristin. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining us. We wanted to bring you our Stitchfix boxes last week, but David got sick and we had to wait. I asked my stylist for dresses for Christmas Eve, but it is Christmas Day. So, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Merry Christmas.
And we will show you our clothes, which is the real reason you're here.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Did you want to tell them about your...
Yeah, I'm super excited because obviously my family thought I needed fashion set because I got $150 in Stitch Fix from Mimi and Pawpaw, and they're super excited about this video and the new stuff that Alex is going to send me. And then we got from my mom and Bruce $150, so we literally, this whole box is going to be like Christmas present glory for us.
And your brother.
And my brother. I'm sorry, did I leave my brother out? Where is it? Where's the other one? So do we have more than this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is just so exciting. I cannot wait.
Somehow, doing a previous video got us bank from our families for Christmas.
Yeah, and apparently I'm not very fashionable because they've spent a lot of money on increasing my fashion, so I'm super excited to see.
Yes. All right. So, $20 styling fee, but that gets applied to anything you keep. We get our little note and
I just love how pretty.
styling thing. You want to pull out your bundle?
Yeah. I like the thing.
They give you the mailer to free shipping both ways.
But see how yours is like so feminine, but mine is like.
That's right.
Yeah,
Mine is teal and girly, and yours is green and brown
neat.
paper and rugged.
Okay. I never want to just rip it open though.
We'll hold up the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Once again, comedy on Stitch Fix. Here we go. Here. Oh, look at those colors in there.
That looks exciting, babe.
I see this.
Look at that.
What is that?
It looks like down.
Down. I see the joke here. I accidentally called one of the garments last time down, but it was just using the word down to describe the garment. So Alex must have picked up on this and sent something that's similar in down because I love down. I don't know. Is that down?
I don't know.
I'll have to see it.
It is the Shawn puffer jacket.
I'll tell you what.
Jacket. It looks nice though.
And she picked up on the whole black thing because I mentioned in the video also that
Yeah.
for work I had black. So this is really cool.
So you got that.
Wow.
We will
That's a
post
nice
the prices for you on the screen or in the description bar because I haven't looked yet.
Not allowed to look.
No.
That's no.
Oh. This must be the color of the season. Like every box has sent me something in this orange color. There is a keyhole V-neck there.
Ooh.
This is by Q&A. And look at this. That is adorable.
What is that called? A pirate sleeve?
It does look like a pirate sleeve.
Is that what that is? It reminds me of Jerry Seinfeld episode. You remember that shirt, the shirt he wore? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I mean, it's kind of more a, like they call them like a peasant blouse, and that's what the pirates kind of wear. But yeah, I adore Renaissance fairs, so that's my style. So
I've got some type of beautiful shirt here. Nice golf looking shirt. I can't tell if it's, is it long?
By A-frame.
Let's see. Oh, it is long sleeve. Wow.
No, let me hold up so they can see the pattern.
Can I see it?
I think so. It's got little check. There it is.
Yeah.
It's got like little itty bitty pinstripes.
It's really soft. You can tell very
and
well.
it's that same color that we liked last time.
Yeah, it's well made too. You can tell. Okay, that looks really good.
And this is something silky.
Silky. You know how much I love silky.
By Vixbe.
I love the color.
And it's one of those faux cross fronts. It looks like it's got a tie.
Is that royal blue?
I was going to say, is that navy or?
It's like deep. It's my favorite color. My first pickup truck was that color. I love it.
And it's got that's nice.
I love that royal blue.
Let me see if it says.
I just can't get my eyes.
It's navy. So yeah, I could probably use a navy top. That looks nice.
I was trying to look at your top, but I was looking at my next thing.
Go for it.
Yeah, look at this. Whoa.
That looks nice.
See, remember the lumberjack comment? I think she may have picked up on that because I'm kind of a little rugged in style. This looks exciting to me.
That is Alesbury.
Yeah, I love the maroon. I also said maroon was my favorite childhood color. She's unwatched. You are something else.
There's the pattern for our viewers. Very nice.
And it's really kind of soft. And remember how I kept the other fleece pants? This feels like it would go really well with that just kind of thick, nice and warm. So. And shout out to my brother Vince. He's going to be on here soon with his wife, so he might like to get something like this too.
That's true. That does actually look like something he might wear
I think
too.
he might do.
All right. Next.
Whoa.
This looks like a dress. Because I asked for the Christmas Eve dresses.
Oh, for Christmas Eve.
But that's all right.
We had a great Christmas Eve, didn't we?
Yes. Leota, petite, small, and it's got the flutter. This is a really pretty floral.
Yes, it's gorgeous. I love it.
Very
I don't
pretty.
think I've quite ever seen that.
And the material feels like it would be really easy to keep wrinkles out of. All right.
So look, I have this shirt on, and it's very similar. And Crew.
Nailed the style, Alex.
I don't know these stylish or something. They could almost like ESP or something.
Who's this one by?
Let's see. Who is that?
Julian and Mark.
Yeah, and I love gray. I'm a big gray fan.
And it's
Wow,
a
I can feel that it's really soft. Like this is a little more cottony, but that feels like kind of soft. Well, it just kind of looks like me, really.
Yep.
I might have to. It's gonna be a hard box for me because I'm gonna have to decide.
Oh, that's the back.
Look at that.
The back's got a crochet detail, and then the
and you
front.
know how I love green.
And so here's green. This would have been good for Christmas Eve.
I love green.
Long sleeves that I love. Very simple. Feels comfortable. That's a beautiful color.
Wow.
All right. And it looks like we both got pants.
Oh, I needed pants for work. I did get some for Christmas though.
You did get some.
But,
so.
oh, look at these.
These are by Flag and Anthem.
Wow. I like the name. They look really soft too. They look kind of just casual enough for me, but also probably easy enough to wear to work because they're khaki.
Yeah. And then show them the detail on the back pocket because they may be interested in seeing
better
that.
just detailing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then they might go with mine, the Jess from Lily and Ryann. These look comfortable.
Yeah, these look really...
Yeah, they got the button up front and then just straight. I asked for some gray jeans that I could wear to work. These are more like dress pants than denim. So yeah, these are actually more appropriate for work than what I was thinking. I was just thinking like gray casual jeans that I could wear, you know, with the youth, but then they would be dressy enough to. These aren't jeans.
No, those are not.
So I was thinking actual jeans, but these are actually more.
We know you're short on jeans, that's for sure.
More work. No, I don't have any gray jeans though.
Oh no, gray jeans.
I don't have any gray jeans. Yeah.
We must have jeans in all colors.
All right. So
I only have two colored jeans, by the way. Alex, two colored jeans. I have a black pair and this pair.
do you want colored jeans?
I don't know. Do you think I would look good in colored jeans? I've really been hesitant to get.
I think you should try them.
Okay, we'll do it next time.
Okay, we're going to do a try on, but we've got to go see the new Star Wars movie. So leave a comment below if you've seen the new Star Wars movie, what you think of it, and we'll compare notes afterwards. No spoilers, though, because we don't want people who are, you know, haven't seen it yet. So, or you can do that thing where you put Star Wars and then do the ... and then they'll know that there's a spoiler not to open your comment. But we want to talk about it.
I can't wait for the trash compactor pizza.
Okay. So we will be right back for you, but it will be a little bit for us.
See you in a bit.
We're back from Star Wars, and now we're trying on some clothes.
It was awesome. Go see it. Let's see what Alex gave me here. I've got the Alesbury, Denali. No, that's not right. That's not right. I'm sorry. I've got the Julian and Mark Everett Heather dark gray extra large, and I have got the California Jeans Company Shawn puffer. That's not right either, sweetie.
What, your pants?
The jacket. Why would the jacket be the California Jeans Company and it's a jacket?
I don't know.
No, I've got the Flag and Anthem Nashville 5-pocket straight khakis 33. Wow, this is new for me. I don't think I've ever seen 33. I've seen it, but I haven't tried it. And that's what I've got on. And I really like this shirt. And
you do?
Yeah, the pants, they feel a little tad long to me. Normally I'm like, if I order jeans, I'm at 29.
Yeah, they look a little. There's a
a
cat.
little-
Hi, Casey.
But as far as the pants go, they're
Get
actually
out of the
really
frame.
comfortable. Casey,
She wants to be the star. Look.
You want some kitty treats? And as far as the length goes, they're just a tad long, but I don't know, maybe that might be the style. I love the way they fit here. They're very flexible. They're very like soft too. And
Can you do a turn for us?
Yeah, they're very light. But I really get, should I wear this shirt in or out? I don't know. I always get confused on
You
that.
can leave a comment. I think
Now
you
the
can
shirt,
do it either way,
the shirt is a little bit
shirt.
long in the arms, but not really.
No, it's good.
But I love the color of the jeans too.
Alright.
And I like the feel of them. Okay, next one. We're back.
Alright, so mine is the Vixbe faux wrap blouse in navy, although it looks a little black at first, but it's a beautiful blue. And I love the sleeves.
Yeah.
I love the fit of it. I think I like the tie and the softness of it. It's very soft. And the pants are Lily and Ryann. They are button front, ... dark gray. There's some whiskering and bunching kind of at the crotch area. And you just show what I'm talking about.
Okay.
And but the length is really nice on them. They fall pretty straight. I was really looking for gray denim though.
Mm-hmm.
And these are $88.
Okay. Hey guys, we're back.
All right, so we filmed each other and now we're together with a tripod. So let us know in the comments also which works better to show off the clothes.
Okay. I have let's see here. I have the Aisley Denali Doublecloth shirt, and I love the shirt, Alex. I really, really like it. It's really me. I love the color. Okay. It's very soft.
Put the paper down,
Okay.
show them the length.
Okay.
Do a turn.
Oh, the length is pretty good. Yeah, I think it's very good.
Okay.
I did tuck it in, but I don't normally wear it tucked in. I get unless I've got a belt on. So, but I do think that I love the softness and the color is just all me.
That looks very nice on
Okay,
you.
thank you.
I've got the Q&A Arietta Smocked sleeve blouse in burnt orange. And we call this the pirate shirt, which it's the peasant top. It's got the cute keyhole there and the fun sleeves, and I really like it. You can wear it tucked in and out. I did grab this one here. I have this one, which is a previous Stitchfix shirt. So you can see this one's brighter orange, but they're pretty similar. So this is $68. Did you say how much your shirt was?
No, I didn't.
I'll put them on the screen for us. I will.
Mine was $60 for the shirt.
Okay, and we got a couple more to show you.
Okay.
Like we're ready to go somewhere now.
Yeah, we really look ready for the town, don't we?
Yes.
I think we shouldn't in this van. We might want to just go out like this.
Yeah. What you got?
I've got the, let's see, the Poplin straight shirt. It's Stockholm. It's gray. It says XL/SH. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe they're trying to deal with my length
That's
issue.
short.
But I will tell you, I still kind of got the issue when I'm standing straight. It feels like they're a little long.
Oh, okay.
I really love the shirt as far as classiness and dressiness. Although I don't have much function out of these type of shirts because I don't really use them other than church very much. And we don't do a lot of like classy going out and stuff. So, and I do have a lot of dress shirts right now.
Yes.
So anyway, I love it. And I love the fine print on it. It looks really, really classy.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the color.
But I don't like it as much as I like your dress.
Yes. The dress is very cute. It is Leota. It's the faux wrap knit dress in red. It is a small petite. It's $88. So I really like the pattern. This is my kind of bold, colorful print. I like the flutter on the sleeve, and I love the length of it. I think I'm in the frame to see the length. It falls at a really nice length for me. I like the way it's felted and the faux wrap. But here's my hang up.
What?
I'm not a fan of 3/4 sleeves. When things hit me on my forearms, it really drives me crazy. Like if I pull,
You'll be doing
like
that
this
the whole
down,
time. Oh, we don't want that.
if
We
I
don't
pull
want that.
this down, like I look at it and I go, done, sold, my dress. But there's just something about 3/4 sleeves that really bothers me.
You kind of
I
feel
either
they're
like it short
yeah,
sleeve or I want it long sleeve.
I can't really because I don't know. We don't have 3/4 sleeves for us.
Yeah.
That
you
I
know, you don't see men with 3/4
No, I don't see
sleeves.
none. So
All right, I got one more thing.
I got one more thing too.
All right, last items.
I have the California Jeans Company Shawn puffer jacket in black XL. Not for me. Just
Well,
kind
it's
of
too
long.
big.
It feels kind of
You want to do a little
bulky.
slow turn
Yeah, it
for
feels
them.
kind of long in the sleeves, but I get that all the time. I may want to switch to large as I try stuff.
Yeah, the shoulders are.
Just really long and just really kind of not my style. I'm not really kind of, I don't know, maybe I don't know what my style is, but it just feels kind of a little a little cottony to me.
Okay. I've got on the skies are blue, scuba, dark green, small dress. It is $68, so a really great price. The material is super soft and easy. This would be a great travel dress. I really, really like the color. I like that it's, you know, straight and not got a lot of detail, but the neckline is a V cut, which is nice. In the back, I'll try to come a little closer too. Is it in the frame? But it's got a really cute back.
Yeah.
So, but you can tell what I'm gonna say. The sleeves are not full length again.
That's terrible for me because I just think this is one of the best dresses I've ever seen on you.
And it's a great, everything about it is good, but this is just, I would just always feel like the dress shrank in the wash. Do you see what I'm saying?
I love the color. Gosh, I love the color, and I just love it just seems so soft.
Yes. So I would totally keep the dresses if they were long sleeves, so I'll note that on my notes in the future. And I would keep the orange top, but I have something similar to not be able to justify $68, even though I love those sleeves. So if there's something else with those sleeves in a different color, I totally want that shirt. And the pants were just okay. So for $88, I'm going to wait, but I'm going to keep the blue shirt.
Oh.
Do you know what you're going to keep?
These pants,
or do you need help from our audience?
The pants are really nice. You know, they don't strike me as any different much than a set of khakis that I already have. So it's not like they're really special or anything like that.
So we can put a poll up.
But I do like the way they feel, and they're 33, so that kind of, the jacket's definite no. This shirt, no. I just don't need a lot of dress shirts. I have a whole closet full of them right now, and I don't use them very much.
What about the red plaid shirt?
Now,
do you like that one?
the red plaid shirt, I'm really stuck on. I think, I think it might go for me.
Poll the red shirt.
As the lumberjack, yes, I think it might go for me. So the pants are on the fence. Once again, I'll give you a little preview. So I'm kind of on the fence. I may need some help on these. And but the shirt, I think I may have to keep the red shirt.
Yeah.
And was that all of my?
No, the gray Henley.
Oh, the gray Henley. Now I already have a gray Henley from LL Bean, exactly like it, almost exactly like it.
But a different color, or
what would
your future notes be?
I do like gray. I do like gray. I have a lot of Henleys, by the way.
Okay.
A lot. But I like how soft they are, and I like that they're semi-casual too. Okay. But I may get it. I'll have to look to kind of sleep on that. I don't know.
Okay. Right. So you can participate in the poll. Leave a comment below. Let us know about Star Wars. We'd love to chat. We give that a thumbs up, right?
Oh, it was unbelievable. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. So no spoilers, but we loved it. Go see it. Make your own opinions and your own judgments.
Also, go see the Fred Rogers movie. It is phenomenal. It's going to win Actor of the Year, I promise.
All right, we're a Tom Hanks fan.
All right.
And like and subscribe while you're here. Stay tuned. We will be getting another box soon.
Thank you.